LISSIMO 71-inch metal garage storage cabinet review. Real control, more space, better workflow. You open the garage door, and boxes stare back at you like a silent accusation. Last month, I watched a friend stack paint cans on top of a toolbox because there was simply nowhere else to put them. It felt chaotic. That slow buildup of clutter drains motivation before you even start a project. Ever hit that point? The longer it goes, the heavier it feels. Tools get buried, supplies disappear, and the air carries that faint metallic dust smell of a space that's lost control. I once saw someone postpone a repair because finding the right drill bit felt overwhelming. That's not laziness, it's friction. There is a calmer way forward. Everything changed when I found the LISSIMO 71-inch metal garage storage cabinet with locking doors and adjustable shelves. Don't just grab any metal garage storage cabinet. Make sure it has high load-rated adjustable shelves so you never deal with sagging shelves and cramped storage again. This cabinet's cold-rolled steel frame delivers real stability, with shelves rated around 170 to 180 pounds each when evenly distributed. 5 adjustable shelves mean you can reconfigure the layout for tall toolboxes, bulky bins, or stacked containers without compromise. The wide 43-inch body and 20-inch depth quietly solve that almost fits problem, common with standard cabinets. Smooth, solid, secure. A contractor I know was seconds from missing a service call because his extension cords were tangled across open shelves. Once stored behind these lockable doors with pegboard hooks inside, everything had a place and was instantly reachable. The magnetic doors keep alignment neat, and detachable 360-degree casters let you reposition the entire cabinet when your layout changes. Quick question, how much space are you actually wasting right now? Long term, that flexibility matters. After a few weeks, the shift becomes obvious. Setup time shrinks, focus sharpens, and the room feels deliberate instead of reactive. A storage reviewer described the cabinet as secure and practical, highlighting the wider footprint and lock system as real advantages over standard narrow units. An everyday user told me the shelves hold heavy tools without bending, which echoes my own testing under substantial load. I also noticed how the pegboard doors quietly increase usable storage without crowding interior shelves. That extra layer of organization makes a measurable difference in daily workflow. Some people hesitate because assembly takes time and it ships in 2 boxes. That's fair, but the instructions are clear, and once built, the structure feels stable and intentional. The lockable casters add mobility without sacrificing control, and you can remove them for a fixed setup if preferred. See why so many homeowners and workshop users are switching to deeper, wider cabinets like this. Do you value mobility or pure stability more? Either way, this cabinet adapts. Over time, it becomes less about storage and more about consistent control. The LISSIMO 71-inch metal garage storage cabinet with locking doors and adjustable shelves is about reclaiming space and regaining focus. Thousands of homeowners and workshop users already rely on cabinets like this for calmer, faster setups. Results may vary depending on layout and load distribution, but the core benefit remains: more capacity, more security, more control. Simple improvement. If you're ready to upgrade your storage system, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and explore how this cabinet could transform your space today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.